Just landed. Phone in my hand. 0 bars. No calls, no maps, no way to tell my ride I'm actually here. Then I open one app, tap a button, and just like that, full signal. That's Saily. If you search for a Saily eSIM review and tutorial, this is the one that actually shows you everything. A real speed test, the full setup from start to finish, and a discount code at the end that'll save you $5. Quick heads up before we get into it. This video does include an affiliate link and a discount code. So if you decide to grab a plan afterward, it doesn't cost you anything extra, and it actually saves you money. I'll explain exactly how that works later. Okay, so what actually is Saily? It's a data-only eSIM, which means no physical SIM card to swap, no waiting in line at the airport kiosk, and no digging through your bag looking for that little pin tool. It's built by Nord Security, the same company behind NordVPN, and it covers over 150 countries. That matters, because it means there's an actual security-focused company behind this, not some random app that popped up overnight. It's also sitting at a pretty strong rating on Trustpilot, with thousands of reviews behind it, which is one of the first things I check before trusting any travel product with my connection. Now let's actually set this thing up, because that's usually where people get nervous. First, you download the Saily app before you leave. Do this while you're still on your home Wi-Fi, not at the gate. Open it up, create your account, and pick your plan. You can go country-specific if you're headed to one place, regional if you're bouncing around, say, all of Europe, or global if your trip spans multiple continents. Once you've picked your plan, the app walks you through installing the eSIM. Either scan the QR code it gives you, or let it auto-install, depending on your phone. Your existing SIM stays completely untouched, so your regular number keeps working exactly like before. Here's the part people usually get wrong. You don't turn anything on until you land. Once you're off the plane, you switch your data line to Saily and flip on data roaming for that eSIM specifically. That's it. The whole process, start to finish, takes about 5 minutes, and most of that is just waiting for your plan to activate. But setup isn't really the question, is it? The real question is whether it actually works once you're standing in a foreign city with no other options. So I ran a real speed test. And honestly, the number surprised me a little. I pulled up a speed test app the moment I landed, ran it cold, no warm-up, and the results came back fast enough to stream, load Google Maps instantly, and hold a video call without freezing. I also tried the basics travelers actually care about, pulling up a rideshare app, sending photos over WhatsApp, navigating through an unfamiliar neighborhood. All of it worked the way you'd expect a normal home connection to work, which, if you've ever dealt with sketchy airport Wi-Fi, is honestly a relief. This is exactly why I keep coming back to Saily on trips. And if you want to try it yourself, there's a link in the description with the code DIECO8929, which we'll circle back to in a minute. Now, let's talk price, because no review is complete without being honest about the numbers. Compared to some other eSIM brands, Saily isn't always the cheapest option gigabyte for gigabyte. Some competitors can undercut it slightly on raw price. But where Saily pulls ahead is the combination of coverage, speed consistency, and those built-in security tools, and ad blocker and web protection, that most other eSIM apps simply don't include. I also want to be upfront about the limitations, because a review that only tells you the good stuff isn't really a review. Saily is data only. That means no traditional phone calls or SMS through your regular number. It's built for internet access, not replacing your phone line entirely. And one small thing that trips people up, prices are listed in US dollars, so if you're checking out from a different currency, do a quick mental conversion so there's no surprise at checkout. With the discount code, though, this becomes one of the more affordable ways to stay connected internationally, especially once you factor in what most carriers charge for roaming. So who's this actually for? If you're traveling internationally and you want something that just works without a learning curve, this fits. If your phone supports eSIM, and most phones from the last few years do, setup takes minutes, not hours. If you specifically need a working local phone number for calls and texts, that's the one thing to know going in, since Saily is data-focused first. For everyone else, especially if you're the kind of traveler who just wants maps, messaging, and a stable connection the second you land, it's one of the easiest options out there right now. Alright, here's exactly how to grab that discount. Tap the first link in the description below, pick the plan that matches your trip, and at checkout, enter the code DIECO8929. That'll knock $5 off your total, no strings attached. If this helped you get set up for your next trip, drop a comment and let me know where you're headed. And if you've got questions about setup or coverage in a specific country, ask below, and I'll do my best to answer. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.